That's cool. That was Johnny Staples out back trying to say hi.
I know, I heard his loud mouth. I got a volcano right here.
So I'm going to ask you guys in a little bit when you get back there. My ring camera doesn't work because it's...
Look at the way it's all just flowing out
I just can't believe it.
off to the sides.
We just have it
So
turned
cool,
towards the
huh?
wall, but I'll check it out, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's not the only way that it needs to be like rebooted or however.
Yeah, I got you. We're gonna be there. We're gonna go out today, maybe to the South Point. So we're gonna be gone for most of the day. But when we get back, I'll definitely mess with it, and I'll call you, and we'll see if we can reactivate it.
I gotta copy these for this one.
I don't care if they're doing it.
Look at it all.
You know what you would like? So right there in the bay, like where we're at. Hi.
Kai, you ready for the volcano?
Oh yeah, I'm familiar with Coconut Island and that little
Ready?
jump. Heck yeah.
Look it close. I can't zoom in. No, it's red. I'm gonna send you a video right now. It's all everywhere.
Just do it. We're gonna go check it out now.
I can't zoom in. I'll send you a
one of
video
Dawn's
right
childhood
now.
friends actually lives 20 minutes from you guys by the volcano. So
Yeah.
we hooked up
It's
with
not
him. He's gonna
smoking.
take
It's
us to South Point.
spewing.
That is cool.
What up, bro? Hey, check it out. Did you see the volcano?
Yeah. Holy cow! All right, I gotta go. I gotta video this. Bye.
That's it right there, bro. And then look, it flows all the way back into this crater.
Yeah, it's even flowing all the way back down here.
Yeah, I know. So here, hold on.
Oh,
let me
look, sir, it's
take that.
flowing.